Okay, hello friends and followers. Well, this is getting more exciting. The 200V transformer is now in the 100V. I got filaments connected up, so it looks like it is possible to bridge these two connections. You can ground the one side of the 200V transformer, and the other side you can use the green, well, actually the yellow and the brown, and right here you can see I have the yellow and brown merged. And everything lights up. So I think that will work. I don't know if all the tubes are lit. I haven't flipped it over to look, but I got panel lights and things are looking hunky-dory happy on the front of this thing. So you can see there's some pilot lights on the panel coming up there, LEDs actually. So that's that. I also have some negative 130, so I did connect up the bias transformer part and the bias transformer in this thing. Part winding is one side you ground, so I did ground the blue wire. You can see the little blue wire there grounded, I think. Yeah, it's right there. That wire has been tacked on the ground. That loose wire is a 6.3 volt center tap. That'll get taped up. Not going to use that. What else? So yeah, here's the 130 volt supply that I built, recreated on this thing. For the 100V, that little circuit's right there. That's all that really is right there. I haven't changed that. I don't think it's much different in the 200V, but feeding in the right power. And if you measure the power here, the voltage, you'll see it's about 130. So I was getting huge voltage on that with the other transformer. I'm not sure why, but it's pretty much nuts, dead nuts on now at 130, so I can't be any happier than that. So now the struggle is to get the high voltage part working. Maybe that'll be tomorrow. This took all day just to get it this far, to get the transformer in there. I got the HV leads all kind of tied up so I won't get shocked or electrocute something, and that's my little scenario here. So I got it working on the switch. Switch will turn the radio on and off like it should. So all that works. I can hear a little bit of humming here of some sort. Maybe this transformer hums a little bit. I don't know. Anyway, that's where I'm at. I still want to get the HV working. I got to make a little HV socket that has diodes in there. I got to find the diodes I bought a long time ago for this thing, and these capacitors aren't working yet. One of those is for the low voltage 340 volts, and the other two are for the 600 volts. So yeah, I got to recreate that. Anyway, that's as far as I got now. And here's what it looks like. I got to put a choke or two back in there. I don't think the 200V uses two chokes, but I think it uses the same choke. So I think I'll put one of those back in there. I got to build up the rectifiers now for the HV. And their schematic is interesting how they get to 340 volts. They use one leg of the rectifier to do that. So I'll show that in my next videos when I work on that. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a great day.